Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones JBL Live 300 TWS with using your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to add a widget, so just scroll down, click on empty space, now click on plus, scroll down again and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say it's okay for me, that one, sorry, then click on add widget and we have a battery level. And the second option is to use an application, so just open it, click on your device, and right here we also have a battery level. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!